Xiaomi M7 Mini Drone 4K HD, Dual Camera, Optical Flow, Brushless Motor, Foldable Professional Quadcopter. Introducing the Xiaomi M7 Mini Drone, a compact yet powerful aerial photography tool engineered for professionals and hobbyists alike. With its 4K HD dual cameras, optical flow positioning, and brushless motor design, the M7 offers precise stability, high-definition image capture, and intuitive controls, all wrapped in a foldable, portable frame that fits in your hand. Whether you're capturing epic outdoor landscapes or vlogging from above, the M7 Mini Drone delivers performance that punches well above its size. Key features and functions: dual HD cameras, 4K front plus optical flow bottom. Enjoy crisp, cinematic image quality with the 4K front camera, while the downward-facing optical flow lens supports stable hovering and accurate positioning. Seamlessly switch between horizontal, vertical, or overhead views for maximum creative flexibility. Stable hovering with optical flow and altitude hold. Equipped with optical flow positioning and altitude hold, the drone maintains a stable flight at any height, perfect for clear photography, videography, and hands-free control. 4.3-inch screen controller with real-time transmission. No phone needed. The included controller features a built-in 4.3 inches LCD screen, allowing you to view live footage in real time directly from the drone. No lag, no external apps required. Brushless motor and 6-axis gyroscope. Experience smoother flights, quieter operation, and greater durability thanks to brushless motors and a 6-axis gyro for superior balance and wind resistance. Checkmark gesture and app control with real-time Wi-Fi FPV. Connect via Wi-Fi to your smartphone or tablet to unlock advanced features. Real-time video streaming, one-key takeoff, landing, trajectory flight. Draw your flight path on screen. Gesture photo, video capture. VR compatibility for immersive FPV flying. Beginner-friendly in headless mode. In headless mode, orientation is simplified, so you don't need to worry about which way the drone is facing, making flying easier for new users. 360 degrees flips and rolls plus multiple speed modes. Take your skills to the next level with exciting aerial stunts like one-button 360 degrees flips and rolls. Easily switch between slow, medium, and fast flight speeds based on your skill level or filming needs. Battery and flight specs. Battery type: rechargeable Li-ion. Flight time: approximately 15 minutes per charge. Remote range: approximately 100 to 150 meters. Charging time: approximately 70 to 90 minutes. Wind resistance: light to moderate, indoor, outdoor use. Package includes 1 Xiaomi M7 Mini Drone, 1 remote controller, 4.3 screen, 1 rechargeable drone battery, 4 spare propellers, 1 USB charging cable, 1 memory card plus card reader, 1 screwdriver, 1 user manual. Technical overview: camera resolution 4K HD front plus optical flow bottom. Remote control display 4.3-inch LCD real-time screen. Motor type brushless motor. Connectivity 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi plus app FPV. Stabilization optical flow plus altitude hold plus 6-axis gyro. Flight functions up-down, left-right, roll, 360 degrees flip, waypoint. Flight modes: headless, speed modes, gesture mode. Foldable design: compact and portable. Control distance 100 to 150 meters. Flight time 15 minutes. Ideal for travel vloggers, beginner drone pilots, indoor, outdoor aerial photography, real-time video capture. Gift for kids and tech lovers. FPV flying experience with screen controller.